Hello everybody. Today in this session, we'll discuss a few concepts of macroeconomics. These are duopoly, then cartels, and monopsony. Now, first we'll discuss duopoly. So in duopoly, we'll discuss, what is a duopoly market structure. Then we'll discuss examples of the duopoly market structure. Now, duopoly market structure is a market structure where two companies dominate the market. Now, what is the specialty of this market? Like as I said, two companies or two firms dominate the market in what goods they are producing or what service they are delivering to the customers. In this category, two firms may dominate the market. Now, this is basically a form of oligopoly market structure, or you can say a duopoly is a type of oligopoly market structure. Now, another characteristics of this market structure is that two firms compete with each other. These two firms compete with each other, and that basically reduces the chances of monopolistic market power. For example, all of you know about the Visa and MasterCard. Visa and MasterCard basically, having the electronic clearance service for the plastic money. And Visa and MasterCard, they dominates the Europe and United States market. Then another example we can give of cold drink sector. In the cold drink sector, Pepsi and Coca-Cola, they are controlling the whole cold drinks market in India. Okay, so this is basically nature and characteristics of the duopoly market. Now, from the example, like all of you know about the Pepsi and Coca-Cola, then Visa and MasterCard also. Okay, so these companies, like we have taken example of the two industry. Okay, so from this example, what we are observing that these two firms are competing with each other, and they are dominating the market. This is basically, what is a duopoly and example of the duopoly market structure. Next, we'll discuss cartels. Cartels is another form of oligopoly market structure. Cartel refers to an agreement between two organization or two company, or moreover we can say cartels may be agreement between a group of companies producing goods and services. Now, this company can develop an agreement in regulating the supply of the product in the market. Now, when they decide the supply of the product or service in the market, they also decide about the price, and they reduce the competition from the market. And the special characteristics of the cartels are fixing the supply, then fixing the price, then controlling the competition. These are some characteristics of the cartels. And as I said, that the cartels refers to the agreement between two organizations or between a group of companies to regulate the supply of goods and services, which covers the price fixing, then supply of goods, then lessening the competition. Now, the example of the cartels, like what can be an example of a cartel? The good, very best example is OPEC. OPEC, or the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries are the countries who produce the oil and supply the oil to other countries. So they have an agreement with regards to the supply of oil, then price, controlling the price of oil in the international market. So OPEC is a world-renowned body following the cartel policy. Then next we'll discuss monopsony. Monopsony refers to a market dominated by a single buyer. What I said, I repeat, monopsony refers to a market where a single buyer dominates the market, and the single buyer controls the whole market process. For example, labor market. Now, in the labor market, what can happen? That one buyer have contract with all the laborers in the market and supplying the labors to other organization or to other parties. So the buyer have the price fixing power. Okay, so this is basically one good example of the monopsony market. Further, in a monopsony, a single buyer generally has controlling advantage that drives in its consumption price level down. Like, as basically monopsony buys in large quantities, so they can lower down the price. Okay, so now in this session we have discussed three basic concepts of the microeconomics. These are duopoly, cartels, and monopsony. Okay, now if we talk about the like duopoly, we have discussed what is duopoly, then what are the examples of duopoly market structure. In a duopoly market structure, two firms basically dominate the market in a particular industry or sector. For example, Visa and MasterCard, then Coca-Cola and Pepsi in cold drinks sector. Then we discuss cartels. Cartels refers to an agreement between two or more than two companies in regulating the supply of products, fixing the price of the products, and even in the production also. In production, then in profit generation, in all around, companies will develop a agreement, and there will be a committee, monitoring committee, who will monitor the market, starting with the production to supply, distribution, and through this they will, lessening the competition. Best example of the cartels is OPEC. OPEC is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries in the international market. Then monopsony. Monopsony refers to a market where a single buyer play a very vital role or dominate the market. Say for example, labor market. Okay, so these are the some concepts we have discussed. So from this, I have mentioned a few questions. So further, like question can be asked like, what is cartel? What are the example of cartel? Then what is monopsony? Give an example of monopsony. Okay, so these are the some concepts we have discussed in today's session. Thank you, everybody.